Nestled between the majestic Mount Sumbing and Mount Sindoro in central Java lies the town of Temanggung. It was once covered with golden tobacco fields, a symbol of pride and wealth. But beneath those golden leaves lies a dark truth. Its role in generational debt, dependency, and despair.
Tembakau itu sudah tidak bisa diharapkan lagi. Kita harus mengutang ke sana, ke sini untuk biaya pengolahan tembakau itu.
Kalau dilanjut itu sampai mati, nggak bakalan nutup utangnya itu.
Menurut saya tidak adil.
Tahun 2011 itu tembakau harganya paling bagus. Saya bisa membayar hutang dan juga membayar sekolah anak-anak saya. Setelah pandemi itu harganya sangat-sangat merosot sekali.
Tembakau itu perputaran ekonominya itu 2 bulan dalam 1 tahun. Nah yang 10 bulan kan nggak ada penghasilan, tapi kita harus makan, makanya kita tetap pinjam ke juragan itu. Ikut dalam sistem juragan itu udah temurun-temurun, Mas.
A juragan is both a financier and middleman. Before each planting season, they provide seeds, fertilizers, and capital to the farmers, but demand the tobacco be sold back to them. However, come harvest time, the juragan not only has full control over the prices, but also imposes weight cuts and grading penalties, leaving the farmer with less. Trapped in debt, the farmer has no bargaining power and no freedom to sell elsewhere.
Tembakau yang kita bawa ke sana, itu juga harganya sana yang menentukan. Menurut saya tidak adil. Soalnya yang jadi tumpuan itu petani dan jadi korban itu petani.
Faced with rising costs and falling prices, farmers have been looking for alternatives. Some people turn to crops that can offer perennial benefits, like coffee.
Nah ini kopi yang paling kecil, ini baru ditanam sekitar 3 bulan yang lalu. Ini sudah mulai tumbuh, bagus ini.
Kami melihat bahwa kopi Temanggung saat ini sangat mempunyai potensi pastinya. Dan hal ini menjadi salah satu alternatif atau penambah pemasukan bagi petani selain tembakau.
Koperasi Rejo Mulyo, or Kojoyo, is a coffee cooperative that unites farmers. It offers shared access to equipment, training, and financing, boosting productivity and quality. By pooling resources and knowledge, farmers gain fairer prices in better markets and become less reliant on middlemen.
Pengalaman saya dengan Koperasi Kojoyo itu sangat bagus karena kami menjual kopi, terus langsung dapat uang lah. Itu untuk kebutuhan sehari-hari.
Tahun ini itu saya hampir saja dapat 1 ton. Sehingga membayar kuliah anak saya itu bisa pakai hasil kopi itu. Penjualannya mudah, nggak kesana kesini. Timbangan juga persis timbangan di rumah. Uangnya langsung, nggak dikurangi sedikit pun. Jadi saya merasakan puas.
The co-op also fosters solidarity and collective decision-making, ensuring that profits and benefits are distributed more equitably. Because of this, the farmers not only regain control over their livelihoods, but a sense of dignity as well.
Kopi ini nanti akan menciptakan suatu sistem ekonomi yang baru, yang itu akan merubah signifikan untuk daerah saya. Terus ada punya slogan ini, kopi sebagai konservasi yang bernilai ekonomi, itu Mas.
In early 2025, Kojoyo secured an order 7 times larger than the year before, but the buyer was unable to pre-finance this purchase as their funds were tied up elsewhere. That's when Beneficial Returns stepped in.
Kojoyo is a young co-op, and I thought as a young co-op, it was important for them to assure farmers that they could buy the coffee cherries they encourage farmers to grow. But they needed more funds than their short track record justified, and we needed security for our loan. And that was when leading members of the co-op stepped forward to pledge their personal assets, pieces of land, some with buildings on them, as collateral for this loan. We then decided to take a calculated risk and extended the loan for this transaction because at Beneficial Returns, we believe that capital can do more than generate profits. It can uplift vulnerable communities and drive meaningful change. When directed with purpose, capital becomes a powerful tool to advance human flourishing.
Kami berharap bisa bekerja sama secara lebih masif dengan beneficial return. Bukan hanya dalam segi permodalan, tetapi dalam pengembangan masyarakat, peningkatan SDM kepada petani maupun kepada kami sebagai organisasi.
From the land that once bound them, a new hope grows. Coffee is more than just a commodity. It's a symbol of transformation and a testament to the resilience of a community. Here in Temanggung, farmers aren't just growing crops. They're planting a better future together.